Have you ever heard of the incredible number of satellites orbiting our planet? What if I told you there are around 10,000 satellites up there right now? That's like a traffic jam in space. Just a few decades ago, there were only a handful of satellites. But with advancements in technology and the rise of private companies, the number has skyrocketed. How do these satellites stay in orbit without crashing into each other? This is where space traffic management comes in. Think of it like air traffic control, but for space. It helps track all these satellites to avoid collisions and keep everything running smoothly. Now, let's consider where these satellites are. Many are in low Earth orbit, which is the most crowded area. It's like a busy highway where everyone is trying to get to their destination at the same time. With more satellites comes more space debris, pieces of old rockets and defunct satellites that can cause serious problems. If we don't manage this traffic properly, we risk damaging important satellites that provide services like GPS and weather forecasting. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember it's not just stars up there. It's a bustling highway of technology that needs careful management to keep our world connected. If you loved this cosmic journey, share your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more fascinating content.